Listen, my child, be wise and give serious thought to the way you live. Don't associate with people who drink too much wine or stuff themselves with food. Drunkards and gluttons will be reduced to poverty. If all you do is eat and sleep, you will soon be wearing rags. Don't be envious of sinful people. Let reverence for the Lord be the concern of your life. If it is, you have a bright future. Listen to your father. Without him, you would not exist. When your mother is old, show her your appreciation. Truth, wisdom, learning, and good sense, these are worth paying for, but too valuable for you to sell. A righteous person's parents have good reason to be happy. You can take pride in a wise child. Let your father and mother be proud of you. Give your mother that happiness.